Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and if there is anything that can give me those spa feels at home, well, basically, I want it. And something that has definitely been helping me to get those feelings lately is this GLO24K Eye Wand Beauty Massager. Like many people, my jobs require that I'm looking at computer screens a lot. So this means that my eyes can tend to get really strained. I have found that this wand helps to relieve a lot of that tension and to ease my tired eyes. For a while, I had been interested in getting a mask style eye massager, but I'm actually really glad that I have this wand style because I can use the wand to really pinpoint the areas around my eyes where I need that attention the most. The way that I use this wand is totally customizable. I can use it with the red light, vibration, and heat all combined, or I can use those functions separately. I personally like to go big or go home, so I like to use all of those features at the same time. Something that I do really appreciate about this wand is that you can adjust the temperature, because I did initially find the heat to be a little bit too hot for me at the highest temperature, but I just turned it down a little bit and it was perfect. To use the wand, I just put a little bit of my favorite eye cream on, and then I just glide the wand in an upward and outward motion around my eyes. It really helps me to relax anytime that I feel like I need a little bit of extra TLC, but it's also great for incorporating into my nighttime routine to help me to get wound down and ready for sleep. This eye wand helps my eyes to feel really rejuvenated and refreshed, and it also helps my eye cream to absorb into my skin better. I am so excited to have this GLO24K eye wand. It will definitely become a regular part of my beauty and relaxation routine. And that's my point of view.